Hello everyone. I'm gonna be showing you today how to wire wrap shells or odd-shaped objects. So we have a sea urchin here. I don't have a shell, but we have wire wrapped some, and it will be posted on our blog after Kayla have made them into jewelry. So to start, you would need 28 gauge wire. So you need to cut about 4 pieces of 8-inch long 28 gauge wire. I call this free-form wire wrapping because when you are wrapping something that's irregular shape, it has to be free-form. It's hard to wire wrap something that's not a perfect round or a perfect square, but which is nice because it gives it that organic look. Okay, here we go. So 4 pieces of craft wire. I'm using gold because it will look nice with the shell. So what you do is hold it in the middle like this. Just estimate the center of your wire, and then you hold them like this in an X and then twist. So just twist it. It's very easy to twist. You will get the feel of it once you try it. So now that I have twisted that about that size, about that length, I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. So put your hand in the middle and have it cross into an X and then twist. So now that you have twisted the wires, you will take your object, in this case my sea urchin. It's very delicate, so you have to be very careful, and put it on this side. I'll put this other piece on the other side. Now it will depend on your object that you're wrapping, but this is the idea of it. And then I would take these two so that I will be encasing my sea urchin. Again, hold it like this and twist. Twist it. And the bottom part, I will take these 2 wires here, and again I would twist them together like this. So you have these 2 already twisted. I'm gonna finish this side. I'll take this 2, the left one on the top and the right one at the bottom, and then twist them. So it's just all twisting, and since you're using a very light gauge wire, it's very easy and very easy on the hand. I'm going to twist this other side as well. So we have finished these 2 sides here. I'm gonna be doing the same thing on this other side. So I'm just gonna reposition it and do the same thing. Now I will continue to do this, and then I'll show you and when I'm about to finish, how to finish. So now here's the almost finished wire wrapped sea urchin, and I did this part already, but I'm going to show you on this side. So the bottom part, we will twist them and twist them until they're about this length. And I'm going to cut it down. I'm going to take my round nose pliers and just make them into a spiral or a curlicues, I think is what it's called. So you do it by doing this around your round nose pliers. So there it is. So you've finished that part, and you can position it however you want it to look like. And you're going to be doing the same thing on this other side. Again, take your round nose and just curl this part here. And it is decorative as well, and a very neat way of hiding your wires, or not hiding, or showing them. So this part here, I already made it into a loop. This is where you're going to be attaching your chain. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I already did this. I'm going to show you on this side how I did that. So it's a simple wire loop or wire wrap loop. So just bend it and then bring it back up like this, and then hold it. And I would actually be using my chain nose to like this. And this thing is in the way. Just one more, and should be good enough. Okay. And then I'm just gonna trim the excess wire. Make sure you don't cut the rest of the wire, because that happened to me last night and I had to do it over again. And then just kind of make sure that there is no sticking wires, and there is. Okay, so now you have your sea urchin pendant. The loops here on the side, this is where you're going to be attaching your chain.